Hi, in this Binance tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance and also how to sell crypto on Binance. If you want to jump forwards or backwards, then I've added the timestamps in the description below. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and if you want financial advice, you should seek a licensed professional. Cryptos are high-risk assets and your capital is at risk, so always do your own research. So if you don't already have an account, then you'll have to sign up, and you can do that using either a Google or Apple account or just with your email or phone number here. I have an affiliate link in the description below, which if you sign up using it, then I will get a kickback and it massively helps support this channel. So after creating your account, you will need to verify your identity by supplying some KYC, or what's also known as Know Your Customer information. This is just to prove you're not a career criminal. So with this, you'll have to upload some sort of ID and answer some questions and supply a proof of address. It says this can take up to 2 days to process, but mine was done in less than an hour. Once your account is set up and verified, your homepage should look a little like this. Now, before we go any further, I would recommend setting up some form of multi-factor authentication on your account just for security reasons. And this can be done over here under security. If you want to buy crypto, simply just click buy crypto in the top left. And from here you have a couple of options. You can buy crypto directly, or depending on which country you are in, or actually what currency you're depositing from, you can deposit fiat currency onto Binance and then purchase your crypto afterwards. But I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with a card first, just because this will work for every currency. Unfortunately, depositing Great British pounds to your account won't currently work if you're a new user, and any existing users will lose this functionality from the 22nd of May 2023, as the payment provider PaySafe, who processes all the GBP transactions for Binance, is halting this due to the UK regulatory environment becoming too challenging. Binance have said they hope to find a new provider before the 22nd of May, but they are cutting it very fine with only 2 weeks to go. So anyway, to buy crypto directly with your card, click buy crypto in the top left, and then click the second link, credit/debit card. And then from here you want to key in the amount you want, and the minimum amount in sterling is £15. So I'm gonna say buy £15 of BTC. Obviously you can change your crypto that you want here to whatever you find on this list, and there's just literally hundreds. But I'm gonna buy Bitcoin, and I'm gonna go continue. And then you can either use Google Pay or Apple Pay or put in your card details. So I'm just gonna pay with a bank card here. Now it's worth bearing in mind that some banks won't allow you to transfer money to and from crypto exchanges. And so I've added a card there now, and I'm gonna go confirm. And we are basically saying £15 of sterling, and I should receive around 0.000657 Bitcoin. So we continue on that one. Continue on that one. And you can see that I have now purchased some Bitcoin. So now if I go to my wallet, so now you can see in my wallet that I hold Bitcoin here. So on the flip side of this, if you want to sell your crypto that you have, you can click on sell here, and then you can go max, and then you'll see that I'll get 1433, although the limit is actually £15, and then you press continue and go through with that. But it's also worth bearing in mind that you won't currently be able to withdraw any GBP that you put back onto your account if you're a new user, or until they find a new payment provider. So if you are cashing out your cryptos back to GBP, then you better be prepared to either wait or buy other cryptos, which you'll then need to cash out at another exchange. Now, the second way to buy crypto on Binance is to deposit some fiat currency via a card or bank transfer. And you would do this by clicking buy crypto in the top left, and then you would click card deposit, or it may say bank deposit, depending on how you set this up. And then you would have to deposit cash here. So unfortunately, I am unable to show you this other method in this video. Now, if you get cash on your account, the easiest way to buy crypto is then to go buy crypto in the top left again, and then click this buy crypto with your cash balance here. From this screen, you'd see your cash balance here, and then you'd once again pick your crypto and say how much you want. And you could also do this similarly through the Binance Convert screen, which you get to by going to trade in the top left and going Binance Convert. So here, where it says BNB, you would actually instead pick GBP, and then, or whatever currency you have deposited, it could be euros, and then go from there and then pick the coin that you want. So let's just say I had sterling and say I had 100 quid on here, and then you'd also pick, I want to go maybe for Ethereum. So I've got 100 GBP and I want to go to Ethereum. Then you click preview conversion, and it would show you how much you will get by going through the Binance Convert. And then with this screen, you also have the option to do a market order or a limit order. So a market order will do it at the first available market rate, or a limit order is where you set the price that you would be happy for the transaction to process at. Obviously, the price has to go to that specific price for your order to process. With a limit order, you'd say, I want 100, and say I'd be willing to pay 1,000. You see there, I would get 0.1 of an Ethereum, but I would be placing an order and it's not guaranteed to go through. And here you get a preview again, and then you can confirm your order. Alternatively, if you're feeling adventurous and want the more advanced interface, then you would go to trade in the top menu and then go spot. And if you're new to the world of trading, then this might seem rather daunting. So what you're currently seeing here is the BTC and USDT pairing. So you've got euros, you'd click BTC to euro here. Now on the left hand side, you have the order book, which shows all the transactions happening right now. So at the top, you can see all the people selling in red, and below this in green, you have what people are currently buying BTC for. And at the bottom here, we once again have limit and market order. And this is exactly the same as before. So with a limit order, I could say I want 1 Bitcoin at say 24,000, and then I'd put in my order here for buy BTC, and again, not guaranteed to go through as it's a limit order. Or market order, you could say just buy 10,000 euros worth and then press buy BTC there. If you want me to do a more in-depth video on this area of the website, then please let me know in the comments. Now, another alternate method, if you're using Binance and want to pay with GBP, is to use Binance P2P. So to get to that area, you would click on buy crypto in the top left and then go P2P trading here. I'm not going to go into this in this video, but again, if you want me to do a video on this, then please let me know in the comments also. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and please consider subscribing as I upload new finance content every week. And if you're new to crypto, and if you're in the UK and worried about cashing out back to your bank account, you could also consider using another exchange such as Coinbase. And if you want to do that, then I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.